Hey guys, there's been a video. Really conducting it, or whatever, producing it. So we're gonna use. You guys can take a lucky guess. Shotgun gun. I'm gonna shoot this can. Sort of out. There we go. So for that, we're using the shotgun. I'm getting kind of tired of saying this all because I already did it, but I edited it out. My baby, or should I say plastic? Get out of here, you little piece of crap. Let's see if I can open him. Yes. I'm gonna fail. Okay. I'm gonna use this and this. If you want to order this from Amazon, you can. Comes with all this. Comes with the site. Yeah, the only bad reviews I say about the shotgun, the shittiest scope ever. Like what it comes with. Do not put that on. I think it's messed up. With this scope right here, I shot my brother from like 50 feet away, so be good. And oh yeah, it comes with a little holder. You can hold your shit. It comes with 4 shells, so it's reloadable too. Just like that. You get it? Amazon. So just look for shotguns and you'll see it. Look up airsoft shotguns. Alright. Press this button here. Pops open. It feels like an actual shotgun. Go in like that. You close it till you hear it snap, which I did not hear snap. Okay. There we go. Alright. Cock it. For kids, I say cocking is hard. Like you have to go, not for me though. I'm strong. Strong kids, oh yeah, consider this for you. So, can me shoot that one. No, I'm gonna shoot 1 bullet, so hoping to make this worth it. Here we go. Bam. Comment, subscribe, and yeah. Amazon. Telling you, Amazon.